Do you still have that unexplained sadness? Ako, wala na. So, yun naman eh. Sometimes it lasts for a day, sometimes a week, or even months. Basta ganun. So, for those who doesn't know that, so it is some sadness na hindi mo maipaliwanag kung bakit. Kung paano nangyari, saan nagmumula, ano ang reason. All you want to do is just, magkulong, sarado lahat ng bintana, walang kausap, kasi you feel like wala kang kwenta kausap. Kasi wala kang makakontribute na valuable. Kasi nga, hindi gumagana yung isip mo. Basta ganun, gusto mo lang mag-shutdown. So, as I've mentioned, mine is all good. Yesterday lang siya. Tapos ngayon, I'm okay na. I feel great na. But for those who are still in that phase, andito tayo, andito ako, just checking on you. Who wants to let you know na kapit lang, malay mo, mamaya-maya ng kaunti, or by tomorrow, okay na yung pakiramdam natin. Basta kumain ka, kumilos kung kinakailangan. So, of course, hindi natin gusto na mawala ng trabaho. Kasi once we're okay, baka wala na tayong balikan. Diba? So, gentle reminder lang na bumangon pa din, gawin natin yung mga kailangan natin gawin. Kasi for those na hindi alam, pag gano'n kasi yung face, parang okay lang na mawala ang lahat. Ako, when it happens to me, parang okay lang, matanggal ako sa trabaho, I don't care. Kasi talagang walang-wala kang gana kumilos for that day. And again, hindi na namin maipaliwanag kung bakit siya nangyayari or bakit namin siya nararamdaman. So for those na nandyan pa sa face na yan, kapit ha, pumasok kung kinakailangan. You may not give your 100% best, but still, you showed up. Okay? So, kapit. I'll see you tomorrow and I'll check on you.